Hello, myself Baldevram Mali, lecturer, Computer Science and Engineering, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Topic of my e-lecture is microprocessor concept and history of microprocessor development. Subject code CS208. At first we discuss what is microprocessor. Up to third generation of computer, the whole CPU of computer was not built in a single chip, because up to third generation of computer LSI chips are used, and LSI chips does not contain sufficient components to build a whole CPU on a single chip. So the various subunits of CPU, ALU, CU and register memory, etc., are built in separate IC chip. In fourth generation of computer, large scale integration LSI technology is developed. A LSI chip contains large number of basic components like transistor and diode in the range of 1000 to 10,000 components. So it became possible to build the whole CPU on a single LSI chip. A CPU built into a single LSI or VLSI, very large scale integration chip, is called a microprocessor. That means microprocessor is a LSI or VLSI chip which contain the complete CPU in a one chip. A microprocessor understands only binary information, binary codes. Binary information is composed of only digits 0 and 1. Now we briefly discuss the history of microprocessor development. The first microprocessor was developed in 1971 by Intel Corporation, USA. It was a 4-bit microprocessor, the Intel 4040. 4-bit microprocessor means this microprocessor can transfer or manipulate 4-bit size data at a time. If data is bigger than 4-bit, like data is 8-bit, then microprocessor process 8-bit data in 2 cycles. First it take the lower 4 bits process, and then it take the upper 4 bits. In 1972, Intel introduced the first 8-bit microprocessor, Intel 8008. The Intel 4040 and Intel 8080 both use the PMOS technology. In 1973, Intel developed a more powerful and faster 8-bit microprocessor, the Intel 8080, using NMOS technology. NMOS technology is faster and more reliable than PMOS technology. The 8080 microprocessor has 16 address lines. So its memory addressing capacity is 2 power 16 bytes, and 2 power 16 bytes is equals to 64 kilobyte. It has 40 pins and 2 megahertz clock speed. After development of 8080 microprocessor, Intel 8085 microprocessor is developed. The Intel 8085 microprocessor has 40 pins and also has 16 address lines. So it can also address 64 kilobyte memory. Its clock speed is 3 to 6 megahertz and more advanced than 8080 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor is software compatible with 8080 microprocessor. That means 8085 microprocessor have all the instructions of 8080 microprocessor and have some additional instructions. 8085 microprocessor is not pin compatible with 8080 microprocessor. The 8085 microprocessor is more popular microprocessor and it is used mostly in industry. Like microprocessor based control units like traffic lights and in automated industry. In 1978, first 16-bit microprocessor Intel 8086 was developed. 8086 microprocessor has 40 pins, 20 address lines. So it can address 2 power 20 bytes, that is equals to 1 megabyte memory, and its clock speed is 5 to 10 megahertz. This microprocessor is used in personal computer PC. 8086 microprocessor supports coprocessor and pipelined processing features because it has the 6-byte instruction queue and it has the segment registers. So it supports the features of segmentation. It has the 4 segment registers: code segment, data segment, extra segment and stack segment. After this 80 After this, in 1980, Intel 8088 microprocessor is developed, which has the word length 8 or 16 bits. It also has 40 pins, 20 address lines, 1 MB memory addressing capacity, and 5 to 10 megahertz clock speed. This microprocessor is used in personal computer extended technology PCXT. In 1982, Intel 80186 16-bit and Intel 80188 8 or 16-bit microprocessor was developed, but which was not widely used. Okay, thanks.